Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix USB ports not working in Windows 10 or 11. So if you're facing this problem, there might be various reasons behind it. So in order to solve it, the first thing that you can do is simply check for Windows Update. Sometimes you might be facing the driver or system related issues because your Windows is not updated. So in that case, what you have to do is update the Windows. For that, what you have to do is click on the start icon. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for settings and click on it. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for update and security and click on it. Now you'll be led to the update and security interface. At left, you'll be able to find various options over here. Make sure Windows Update is selected. Now you'll be led to the Windows Update interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply click on the option, check for updates. After that, your Windows will be updated. This might solve your problem. But if your problem is not solved, what you can do is simply try updating the USB drivers. For that, what you have to do is right click on the start icon. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, Device Manager. Now you can see over here, Device Manager will be opened. Now what you have to do is simply find the option for Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Once you find it, simply expand it. Click on the arrow icon. Now you'll be able to find the USBs over here. Right click on the USB root hub. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the option Update Driver. Repeat the same process for all the root hubs. Now what you have to do is simply right click on the USB extensible host controller. Now click on the option Update Driver. Now after you update the drivers, your problem can be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply check for the BIOS settings. For that, what you have to do is restart your computer, access the BIOS settings during startup, look for the USB configuration or similar options under the integrated devices. Ensure that USB ports are enabled in the BIOS. Likewise, you can also try a different USB port or cable. This can help determine if the issue is with the port or the device itself. So like this, you'll be able to solve the problem. So that is how you fix USB ports not working in Windows 10 or 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.